Hey everyone, wanted to do a unboxing video of my two $200 mystery boxes from Ultrasabers. I placed the order on December 30th and it is January 28th. I fully anticipated the 3 to 4 week wait based on what the website said, so yeah, that was pretty normal. This is my first lightsaber of any kind, so I'm eager and interested to see what I get, and forgive me if I don't know all the proper terminology and names of the hilts and so on and so forth. My brother-in-law and I have been kind of talking about getting a couple of sabers for a while, and I saw a couple of videos on YouTube recently, people doing the unboxings, and was like, okay, well, since I really don't know what I personally would want, I figure I'll just do a mystery box, and the only thing I knew for certain is I did want sound, so I opted for the $200 version. I ordered on December 30th, so they were running a promotion for spend so much and get blade plugs and stands and things of that nature, so I'm expecting some stands and blade plugs. I ordered the Ultra Edge mid-grade 36-inch and the standard mid-grade blade. So I kind of wanted to check out the differences on those two and see which one I liked personally. I have never really actually held one in my hand, so it's going to be interesting and a good first. So I guess on to the reveal. I'll be interested to see if they come with the pack, the brown wrapping, or if it's going to have just be pre-assembled like some of the more recent videos I've seen. Yeah, definitely looks like they're pre-assembled. So definitely pre-assembled. I still have the white wrapping on the hilt, so I'll know what type of sound board comes on. Sorry for the noise, guys. This was always the hard part of watching the videos, and I apologize. Maybe I can fast forward through it. Okay, we're in. We're in. Okay. I see a cover tech wheel on one of them, so I'm pretty interested to see what they say. Oh, that's cool. They looks like they've turned it inside out, so I can't quite see the wrapping. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Normally it says the congratulations, you have received a saber with sound, light sound, premium sound, whatever on the outside of the wrapping. It doesn't on this one. So I'm going to try to see if maybe underneath the tape on the inside of the paper, if it says something. Ooh. There we go. All right, congratulations. You have a saber equipped with light sound. Please remove the tab. So it does have an AV switch. I know it's an LE model. Dark Sentinel, maybe? Dark Initiate? Pull the plug. No joke, that is definitely loud. I know better than to push directly on the speaker. Oh. That was interesting. Make sure all the batteries are going to stay. Okay. That's strange, and it's really a tight fit. Let me push it past the threading with the pushing on the end. Okay. I wonder why that's. It must be a battery loose, because it's the only reason I could think that would be happening. Yep, battery was loose. Battery is in now. No more noise. That's good. Okay, before I turn it on, I want to see what model it is. So it looks like it's the Dark Apprentice LEV4. Okay. Let's see what color we've got. And this one I think is the standard blade. Consular green. Oh, white flash on flash. That's nice. And it's just an open pommel, so man, that is loud. Cool deal. Lock up. Pretty sweet, pretty sweet. Okay, and this one, this one looks like something that's a little bit more high-end, mid-grade, middle of the road. I'm not quite sure. Let's take the tape off and see what it says first. Okay, congratulations, you have received a saber equipped with premium sound and rechargeable batteries, charger not included. Please remove the tab. Perfect. And this one is different. I don't recognize this, honestly. I believe it's the Consular. I believe. Yep, it's the Consular. Okay. Okay, so we've got a Consular. which has a pretty cool neck on it here. Pommel's pretty cool. So I can pull this out without. Tight fit. Okay. It's got a dark cover tech wheel, AV switch. Let's see what color it is. I think this might be Arctic blue. It's definitely a really light blue. It's not super dark. I don't think it's Guardian blue. Of course, I've never held a Guardian blue saber, so I wouldn't know if it was really. Let's see if it. No flash on clash, but premium sound. Not bad at all. So first impressions, they're definitely heavier than I anticipated. They feel a lot like a Maglite flashlight, if you're old enough to remember what a Maglite flashlight felt like. They don't have sharp edges. They've been milled properly. They use good aircraft quality aluminum. I don't see any blemishes on this at all. It's interesting, and I'm not sure if you can see. You probably can't, considering I'm using an iPhone. But this metal plate here is definitely not in like pristine condition. It definitely looks like it's, I mean, it's got some scratches and swirls and stuff, gunk, kind of, for lack of a better term, on it. Still think it's pretty cool though. Two black sabers, both with Jedi colors. Well, as far as the blades go, I have the lights on, so it's pretty hard to tell. But I think the Ultra Edge seems to be a little brighter. Well, right on, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.